In this CONECT Tech session, we'll be seeing how you can make your wall stand out from the crowd using keying to inform and entertain your viewers. Don't worry about setup times or complexity, as it is super quick and easy to set up. With tvONE, adding a key is simple and quick to achieve and can be used in any application. In corporate lobby walls, add logos and other messaging to help build your brand. Control walls benefit from overlaid information graphics that draw the eyes of the operator to an area of interest. Adding telemetry overlays in industrial applications means that all of the important information is always in the line of sight. And finally, for sportsbooks, you can use eye-catching motion graphics to draw the eyes of your guests towards the action and towards any special offers. I'm using a CORIOmaster 2 today, but it's possible to create the same effect using any member of the CORIOmaster family. Most of us are used to seeing chroma keying effects on TV, but for AV purposes, a Luma key can be much more useful. And in this video, I'll show you why. On my laptop, I have CORIOgrapher running. I'm going to fire a preset I've made already to switch from this sportsbook view to add an example layer over the top that I can show you how keying works. So this goes from white at the left-hand side through to black on the right-hand side. Now, if I go into the editor, this is that layer. And if I double click on it and just come down here, you'll see there is a specific menu for keying. I'm going to enable it. And then this area here is where I set up my key value. So I'm going to set this in the middle for now, just so you can see I can key an area. I don't have to just key one value. I can key a number of values at the same time. Obviously, I can be accurate as well. Now, if I am getting issues with the keying and it's perhaps anti-aliasing a little, which you sometimes get depending on the source, I can add softness here as well. Now, when I take the softness out, you'll notice when I put it to 0, it gives you a warning. That's because we have to have a value of at least 1 on the softness. So let's get this back to the defaults, which was 0 and 1, and I'll turn the keying off again. Now, I really love this feature on CORIOgrapher. This is where I can select the source that I want to use. So I want to get the goal graphic up. And this is the goal graphic. I turned off the keying a moment ago, so that is why we're not seeing the sportsbook any longer. So let's repeat that process. I'm just going to turn keying on. And because the background was pure black, it's keying off a value of 0 and 1, because that was the layer it was. I might just nudge this up a couple more, just in case there's any edges there that I want to key in. I will add a little bit of softness as well. So there you go. That's the basics of keying explained, so you can get you up and ready right away. If you like this video, there's a button just for that, and you can also subscribe so you'll be the first to see new content when we create it here in the CONECT Tech studio. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.